Hey everybody, this is Andy with Lightning X. Today we're going to show you how to set up your LXMB30 large EMT bag with Lightning X products. Now the main compartment of this bag is modular, and what that means is we include dividers that you can customize based on what items you're going to want to put in the bag. Now what you're going to do to get started is open up the main compartment of the bag. You'll see 6 square foam dividers, each with 2 strips of Velcro on each end. Go ahead and take those out of the bag, and then you'll see one long divider right there in the middle. It's actually sewn to the bottom of the bag, so what you're going to do is flip that up vertically, and you'll notice it also has pieces of Velcro sewn on either end. Now on the side of the actual bag, you will see 2 pieces of vertical Velcro, the hook side, and all you're going to do is hook the flaps on the Velcro from the long divider to the Velcro on the bag. So that way we have 2 equal compartments, front and back, so we can start working on our small dividers. Now you can arrange these however you want. When we get into some of the stocking videos, I may show you how we might leave one compartment bigger for, say, a cervical collar or a bag valve mask. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to just use 8 equal size compartments. So what you do is you take these square dividers, you put them in the bag, you're going to attach one side of the flap to the Velcro on the long divider and the other side of the flap to the Velcro on either the front or the back of the bag. I do suggest running all of the flaps the same direction so it's a little bit easier to make sure that you're lining everything up. So as you can see here, we have 8 equal compartments and we're ready to go. Stay tuned for more of our videos where we'll show you how to actually stock your medical supplies from one of our trauma kits in this bag. Thanks for watching our video on the LXMB30 large EMT bag by Lightning X products. Check us out on YouTube and Gear Bags for more instructional videos.